Hello everyone, we will speak about the Android ecosystem in this video. Let's start without wasting time. Android is an operating system designed for use on mobile devices. The Android operating system was originally created for use in digital cameras. The Android operating system is developed primarily for use on smartphones and touch tablets by Android and Google Corporation. Google bought the Android company in 2005. The Android operating system released in 2008. Although the Android operating system was developed for smartphones and tablets, today it is being used in Android televisions, smartwatches, Android Auto, and Android Wear devices. Android Auto is the car's smart multimedia system. The Android operating system is used in more than 100 languages today. 5.22 billion people use a mobile phone today, equating to 66.6% of the world's total population. Also, more than 2 billion people use the Android operating system as of May 2017. Google Play has more than 2.8 million applications published. More than 6,000 applications are published on Google Play every day. More than 20 million applications. Developers will be needed in the next few years. That means you need to learn Android application development quickly. I believe this course will be good for your learning process. After this course, you will be a good Android application developer. Let's speak about salary. I know you wonder how much your salary will be. Junior Android developers' salaries are more than $55,000 per year in the United States. I believe you will take more. Middle-level Android developers' salaries are more than $100,000. Senior-level Android developers' salaries are about $113,000. In this lesson, I gave you some information about the Android ecosystem. I hope it was useful. In the next lesson, we will do some setup that is necessary for us to develop applications using Kotlin language. See you in the next